all started with trading. Trading really changed my life in so many different ways. When it comes to making me the person that I am now, when it comes to the money that I'm making now, when it comes to the person that I'm trying to build myself to be. And the feelings and emotions never go away in trading. Since yesterday that joined, welcome. You know what you need to do. It's just a matter of actually doing it. 4 years ago, I was still working at UPS. 4 years ago, I was getting paid $200 a week part-time at UPS. I didn't even take my SATs. I wasn't going to college. I didn't want to go to college. I had no other option, bro. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and we are in sunny, beautiful Miami right now. I just got some flowers for my girlfriend. It's early right now. It's on the dot, 8 in the morning. I just went and got her some flowers because today is her birthday. So when she wakes up, I'll give her nice little flowers. Nonetheless, I still got to work and everything. Still got to be active with the VIP Trading Network. Still got to trade in about an hour and a half. We're going to see what we can do. See if we can end the week off with a bang, nonetheless. But we're in Miami. We're going to be enjoying today. Even though the weather isn't the best today, we're going to make the most of it. We're here for another 6 nights, so we got more than enough time. We're just going to make the best of it. I love being here. The motivation I get when I'm here is out of this world. I just want to work, make money, change lives. Work, make money, change lives. Every single day. I got to go to the gym. I wasn't able to go to the gym yesterday because I was rushing around. I ain't go to sleep until like 2 a.m., crazily enough, after we got food and everything. But nonetheless, let's get straight to it. We about to head to the crib. About to probably do a little workout on the balcony, show you guys the view during the day. Let's get this day going on. What's going on? What's going on? We about to get this VIP call started. We got the balcony, we got the view. We about to see what we can do, see if we can make some money. Hanko trade account is what I'm ideally looking to trade today. So we about to see what's up. Nonetheless, let's hop straight on this call with the team. Let's get some money. Let's change some lives. After we ran the after we ran the previous day's high during London, price has just been bearish. We overall needed a pullback, but personally, I do think we might run lower. We could just fly from here on 30, but personally I think this might try to give a move to the downside type shit. Let's see what the higher time frame looking like. Definitely like the shorts, but I'm gonna give it a second just because I know price just opened, so it could try to do some shit. It would be a 50-point stop, ideally something like that. Idea I'm watching right here. 50 points doesn't seem too great of a stop in my opinion, but I like 50 points rather than 30. 30 wouldn't be shit. And anything, I would at least want to get a 1 to 2 to that low. And the feelings and emotions never go away in trading. Trust since yesterday that joined. Welcome. Welcome. All right, so just got done the trading session with VIP. I ended up not taking no trades. It is what it is. The market really wasn't showing anything that I really liked. It didn't show me anything where I'm like, yup, this is what I'm gonna take. Yup, this makes sense. The trade ideas that made sense, they weren't playing out for the most part. Didn't end up getting the trades, but it is what it is. Not every day is a trading day. And guess what? I didn't lose money and I can still enjoy the view and everything that I got right here. So now, about to get the rest of my day started. I'm about to shower and everything, get cleaned up, wash some clothes, get everything in the Airbnb all ordered up, get the dogs all ready, so we can start enjoying our day, get the Miami trip started right. The weather's not the best, but I'm gonna take it. At Aventura Mall, just got some food. Yeah, this is food that she likes. She likes this food. It's good though. There it goes. You feel it? All right, we just got done eating food, and then we just did like this. I don't even know how to describe it, like this immersion, lights. I don't know how to describe it, but you guys are going to see some clips. Did you record in like the purple room?
Purple one, big purple one. You can't even tell what's going on.
At all.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got a little clue. You guys are more than likely already seen it, but now, about to head to the crew. We were going to go jet skiing, but as you can see by the windows, yeah, the jet skiing plan isn't a good plan for right now. Plan for another day while we're here. But we about to head back to the Airbnb, and then from there, I don't know, probably chill for a little bit. There's been a whole lot of waiting. We'll see how long it takes us to get back. Whole lot of waiting today. Driving, waiting in lines, a lot of waiting.
Just got back and everything. So far today, haven't done too much crazy. Had the VIP session early this morning. Didn't take no trades. There wasn't anything of my liking, and sometimes you just got to be okay with doing nothing. Doing nothing is doing something. And I need every single one of you, especially if you're a trader. I know a lot of people watch my videos in terms of looking for the motivation. They like the inspiration. They like just to watch somebody that's doing something different. But for the traders, you guys got to understand, less is more. You don't need to trade every day. You don't need to risk everything on every trade. You don't need to take every setup you see. You don't need to have 20 different confirmations to get into a trade. Less is more. I'm not going to talk too much on that in this specific video, but check out the free course and everything, the VIP recordings, all of that stuff. It has so much game in there. It's in there. It's in there if you want. But I wanted to talk to you guys about day trading and everything, because and look where I am. Like the background, Miami, making money trading, money with all my other businesses, and I'm making thousands of dollars a month right now. It's not consistently making the same amount of money, because you guys know how it is. Trading isn't always going to be consistent. When it comes to YouTube, it's not always going to be consistently giving me the same amount of views. So I'm not going to be able to promote my businesses the equal amount every single month. So you know how those things go. So that's that when it comes to that. But it all started with trading, and trading really changed my life in so many different ways. When it comes to making me the person that I am now, when it comes to the money that I'm making now, when it comes to the person that I'm trying to build myself to be, it's crazy. And I have a long way to go. Trust me, I have a long way to go, but I don't care how far I gotta go. I'm talking about where I've come from. 4 years ago, I was still working at UPS. 4 years ago, I was getting paid $200 a week part-time at UPS. Yes, $200. It was like $260 working part-time, 4 to 5 hours a day, 3 hours on bad days. So I wasn't getting a lot of hours. I wasn't making money, bro. I was young. I was 17 years old. I just graduated high school. It was COVID. What else could I have done? I didn't even take my SATs. I wasn't going to college. I didn't want to go to college. I had no other option, bro. I had no other option. I didn't know what I was going to do. I just knew that I didn't want to have a job. I knew I didn't want to go to college, and I knew I wanted to be my own boss. I don't know what that was going to entail. I had no route. I lied not. I had no route. I did not know I was going to be a trader. When I graduated high school, I had no idea what I was going to be. Zero. I knew I wanted to be an entrepreneur. I thought I was going to be in real estate. How was I going to get in real estate with no money? That's something that I didn't really understand at the time, but I eventually found trading. How did I find trading? Just from researching different businesses. Taking action is key. You're not going to know what you like, what you have interest in, until you try different things. I tried dropshipping. I tried Amazon FBA. I tried trading. I tried content. I've tried a whole bunch of different things. So many different things. And I stuck with what I liked. I stuck with what I've seen results in. And that's all that matters. You may not like what you do, but if you get results in it, leverage that. It's the same thing as your job. You may not like your job, but leverage the money you're getting. Leverage it. That's all it's about, leveraging it. And that's what I did. I leveraged it. Even though I wasn't making a lot of money at UPS, I leveraged the money. The time that I had, I used it to get better. I used it to improve. I used it to back test. I used it to study. I used it to literally study 8 to 10 hours a day, especially during COVID when I had no job, no nothing. I was studying 8 to 10 hours a day. And then when everything calmed down and I was working and stuff and I was going to the gym on a consistent basis, I was studying still 2-3 hours a day. I would come home from work at 12 a.m. and still do my daily ranges. I would do them every day at 12 a.m. And for anybody that's been in the private inner circle or has been around the YouTube channel, the videos are still there. Go check the consistency. You guys think the daily vlogs is something new? I was posting videos every day for like a year straight. It wasn't the same type of videos, but I was posting every day for a year straight, that consistency. And that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Trading really changed me for the better because, for one, my businesses, when it comes to my education, my VIP, when it comes to sponsorships, when it comes to my content, my YouTube channels, my trading, all of it came from the skill of trading. You guys wouldn't be watching me if I didn't know how to trade. You guys wouldn't know who I was if I didn't trade, if I wasn't a trader. I wouldn't have the VIP Trading Network if I didn't trade. You guys understand it all came from one skill. And then that one skill turned into multiple skills. Why? Because I learned content creation. I learned how to edit. I learned how to talk on camera. I learned how to sell people on things. I learned how to be persuasive. I learned how to give value. These are all things that are also skills, but it all came from the first step of learning how to trade. Taking that first step of getting on them YouTube videos, hopping on them free courses, hopping on the courses that I got for free that weren't really free, but we're not gonna talk about how I got them. You know what I'm saying? That's where it all starts, because you don't realize how much your life is going to change. You don't realize how different you got to be to have the goals that you want. You don't realize how much you have to change to have the life that you want. You got to change a lot. And it's something you may not be comfortable with admitting, but it's very, very true. You need to change a lot. Now, in terms of what you should change in, that's different. That's going to be different for everybody. It really depends on what you are doing right now, where you are right now. Do you have a job? Are you self-employed? Do you have money saved? How much time free do you have a day? Are you in shape? Are you not in shape? Do you have the time to work out? These are all things you got to ask yourself. I know Miami. These are things you got to ask yourself, bro. You know what you need to do. It's just a matter of actually doing it. I know when I shouldn't overtrade. I know when I see a setup that doesn't look that good. I know the days I wake up that I have that uneasy feeling in my gut where I'm like, today doesn't feel right. These markets don't feel right. That's me knowing I shouldn't do nothing. That's me knowing. You know what your problems are. You know what your habits are. You know what your addictions are. You know what your bad and good habits are. You know what you need to stop doing and what you need to do more of. You know what it is. I don't need to tell you. You're thinking, yep, he's right. I know what I need to do because it's true. But are you going to do it? That's the main thing. Are you actually going to do it? That's always what it comes down to. Anybody can study a free course. Anybody can hop on the charts and take some trades. But who's going to do the real work? The deep diving, learning about themselves. These cars. But who's going to be doing all that work? It has to be you. Nobody's going to do it for you. Nobody's coming to save you. And I want you guys to understand, like right now, it's not the nicest day out in Miami. But guess what? You can't let the cloudy days stop you. You can't. The cloudy days are here to show you how much you should appreciate the good days, how much you should appreciate the sunny days. Because guess what? There's ups and downs, there's positive and negatives. There's no good without bad. You need the cloudy days to appreciate the sunny days. You need the sunny days to appreciate the cloudy days. Don't let the cloudy days deter you. Because trust me, on the cloudy days, the days where you don't want to work, the days where you feel the most friction when it comes to doing your day-to-day tasks, chasing your goals, putting in the work. The days that you don't feel like doing that, and you just want to relax, you don't want to eat good, you want to eat like shit, you want to chill, you just want to stay home because you're tired, your body hurts. Those are the days that everybody else feels the same way. They feel the same exact way. Now, if you go on that day, automatically, you're in that top percentage of people that are 9 times out of 10 going to be successful, that are 9 times out of 10 not going to give up. And you know what that means if you never give up? The only result that is guaranteed for you is success. It may not happen now, but it's only a matter of time if you don't give up. The only way you fail is if you give up. If you never give up, you can never fail. Man, oh man, I love Miami, man. I'm moving out here 100%. I'm moving out here. I don't care how much money it takes. I need to move out here. It's gonna be stressful. I know it is. I went and we looked at the apartment. We didn't look in the apartment. We went to like the neighborhood that the apartment's in. We didn't have the tour scheduled and everything yet, but we're gonna get it scheduled nonetheless. This view's crazy out here. Can't lie to you. Nothing but motivation. Makes me want to do nothing but work. It's just crazy, bro. And we're just getting started. This vlog is gonna be a little smooth. Still getting in the flow of things being down here. This is where we're gonna end it off. I ain't gonna lie. Tap into VIP. I saw how many people wanted to join. I seen that we had like 25 people use that discount code. You guys obviously want to join the team. You just don't got the money, and I understand. So I'm gonna just keep it 50% offer. You'll be able to lock it in for lifetime as long as you lock it in before Sunday. Lock it in before Sunday at 12 a.m. You'll be able to lock it in. Trust me, we have sessions this weekend. We have one session Saturday and another session Sunday. Then we're back to the trading week Monday. So make sure you tap in. Nonetheless, use the code. It's gonna be at the end of the video in the description. Stay safe, stay productive. I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's video.